Hey guys, it's Bethany with ABQ Creations here. I don't have a crochet tutorial for you. Instead, today I'm going to show you my mom's new she shed. She just had it delivered the other weekend, and we're going to go through a process of building it out so that we can run electricity out to it, and then it will become her craft space. I thought you guys might be interested in seeing this process, so that's why I'm going to record it and follow it for you. In this video, I'm going to show the delivery. I actually thought it was pretty interesting to watch how the guy got his big truck back there and then he switched it out for this little contraption that pulled the entire shed. It was crazy. I also give a tour of the shed, which is in its bare bones state. We have to do electrical out there. We have to get walls up. We have to do flooring, the whole works. So it is going to be a process, but if you want to just see what the shed looks like in its natural element after he puts it down, you can see that at around the 4-minute and 19-second mark. I show the outside of it, followed by the inside. I also show the plans that my mom had drawn up for this specific shed and some of the add-ons that she had done, like the metal roof and the metal siding. And she also made her windows wider and she included more windows. It's actually pretty cool. It does have 2 loft spaces, so I'm excited to see how it turns out, and it'll be the ultimate crafting space. If you have any questions or comments for me or my mom, leave them down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're all staying safe out there. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stay up to date on any of my future pattern tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you are enjoying this documentation as much as I am. I will continue to document this process and just keep you guys updated as to what we're doing to the shed and what we come up with for an arrangement for all of the crafts. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.